Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and to all the fans of 𝐓𝐿AN, welcome to every Friday with 𝐓𝐿AN tip. Magic begins to raise the standard. So, what is our today's topic? If you ask me, where sometimes I find that when I open a project to project, I find that navigators are a little different. I'm a little surprised on that. And sometimes when I open one of the project, I can see that each DT is coming one below the other. Like for example, if you see it, okay, I will be having F1 and below that you will be having F2 and after that you have F3 and after that you have F4. Is it possible that I can combine these things, these F on the top and then below that I should get F1, F2, F3 and F6. So let us see that. Is it possible first thing? Okay. And if it is not possible, first we'll check in a sample project. See, always, as I said earlier also, the sample project is something, it sets like a standard for you. So the benchmark kind of thing will be happening. So when I created a project, I found that this was not happening. So let us see why it is not happening and how to get that. Okay. So to get what all the things you should be aware, first navigator, definitely. Second, setting, yeah, file setting. In that, which section is very important. Now we need to explore that project. Why? It was changing from project to project. Means if it is changing from project to project, there will be something in the project which we need to focus on that. Right? So without this one, we will just jump to 𝐓𝐿AN. Yeah. So now I do open 𝐓𝐿AN. I also want to open some other project just to show you. So let me just open some other project. Okay. Yeah, I'm just opening some new project here. So let me close this first and then I'll show you that how it works. So yeah, it hardly have only one page. That's fine. So what I do, I'll just drag this breaker and I'll try to place it another 4, 5. Okay. Now you have all the queues and everything. Now I'll go to view. Once you open a page, see that insert, edit, view. I think you remember. Once you double click and if the page is available, you will get view and all the navigators are readily available. So now I'll go to device. As I drill down, see this is coming. Oh, beautiful. This is already, I'm getting this part. This is what I was trying to ask you. So this particular one is automatically coming in this particular project. But sometimes what happens is this will be available. In some project, I saw that this is not coming there. So let us see why it is not coming. Like when I go to new, okay, I will go to some IC basic one. So I'll say click OK. I created a project here. Then I'll try to copy this part number. So what is that part number? Copy that. And after that, I'll just go to that particular, oh sorry. Now I created a new project, right? I have to create a new page and then I will be able to take it inside. Yeah. So I can just go to the new project. In that, I just want to create a new. And I want to say clear all the fields. I'm interested in multi-line page. I'm not interested in. So I'll just pull. Okay, that part number was not available. Automatically, it is trying to jump there. Okay. So this part number is not available. Not a problem. We'll just take the one which is readily available. So we'll not jump to any this one. So we'll just go to that. We are all interested is just pull one. So now you can see that I have a breaker. Now I will just create a few more. So I will say that I need 4 numbers and after that I'll say number and say click OK. Yeah, it is just trying to follow that part. It's fine. So if you click it, yeah, you see that this is the one which I was trying to talk, right? So when you see this particular one, see all these all are F, but each one is coming separately. Okay. So not only for this, even for example, if I go to coil or something, so I'll go to electrical engineering component and if I say contactor or relays or something, if I take it, okay, contactor. So let me just pull some contactor. So I'll select it. So I'm trying to place this one. Okay. So when you take any one particular coil and after that I'll say duplicate. So if I need 4 times, yeah, I think here I'm taking this one identifier counter is okay. So I'll say click OK. Then you will see that you are getting it. There is no segregation is happening. But whereas on the top, the segregation is happening. So remember that not only for device navigator, you go for any other navigator. Okay. Like for example, I will go to some other navigator like cable. No, I don't have any cable right now. So let me see that. Do I have any cable there? Yeah, W1. So you have here segregation, but same thing. See, you can see the cable when you see it. Means what I understand is for all terminals there is only control in one place. So we'll take a sample project. Then I think that you can easily see that when I go to browse. Sorry. So you can see that when I open that sample project, see. So see automatically segregation, very super. So when I go here also you can see that see automatically the segregation. So you can see that it is happening in the sample project. So why it is not happening in my project, the one which I created right now. Okay. So let me close this so that I can show you that whether it happens in this or not. See, now I have only one project, but in this I don't have it. So from this what we understand is all these navigators are controlled by one single thing. So irrespective of any navigators, we have a setting which can be controlled in the project. That is a summary of that what we try to understand now. So if we go to file, if we go to settings, okay, and if you drill down the project, which project you are working, and after that if you go to display, here is a tree structure navigators. So this is a place where it stays. Whether I need my plus on the top or bottom, you can have it. Now I am interested in the second part. What? How do I get the DT identifier? So obviously you have a plus here, correct? So you see that where you have to go. So we have to just jump to project, which project we are working, and after that display tree structure navigators. So this is a part of your project, means basic project. If you set this, then automatically this will be taken care of. So now I pushed it. Now I'm getting click new. Yeah, I'm getting here. So you can see I have an identifier. If I select this and if I say click OK, then you see that automatically all these things are coming. Irrespective of whether you open a device navigator, cable navigator, plug navigator, or any navigator, it can be done, this particular one. So this control is available in file settings. So you have to go to projects, which project you are there, display, tree structure navigators, and here you can make it the way you want. So sometimes you will be having a huge number, but you don't want to see whichever you want to have it. This is a way which you can use those things. So apart from that, what all the other things you can use it is, it says that you can add counter, subcounter, and prefix. So generally we are more interested in DT identifier. So this is how you can get it. So once you get, yeah, this you will be having it. In some projects, if you don't see, the control is in that place. Hope you understood. For any navigator, there is a single control which is taken care from that particular place. So hope you got the solution and now you understood how to get them in that particular place. Okay, not only that location function, you can also play with the DT identifier. That also segregation will be able to do it. So I think just let me just open a sample project again for you to have a quick this one. So when I select it, so you can see that particular project you are getting it. So I will get a project, in that you will have that location and then you can have it in this fashion. So in this case, the equal is on the highest one, second is that location, and then you have these DT identifiers. So like that you will be able to get it, so that it's easy to maintain and all those things we can just have. Okay. Thank you. So before I could say goodbye, I love to say that please like to load more contents, please comment to get quality output, please share to reach the maximum users. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. And hope you remember, my name is 𝐓𝐨𝐻𝐿 Reddy. Jai Hind. Have a nice day.